Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Don't worry about it, kid. It's the least I could do. After all, Gas Can is my middle name.
It is?
Elevator doors can be surprisingly dangerous. We always have to be careful before we put our hands out.
They do it! These are the same ingredients as back home, but it tastes so good!
It's organic.
Oh, on your mark, get set. Uno for the morning, due for the show.
It's okay. I can manage on my own. Oh!
You're too busy.
Pardon me, young man. You're blocking my view. Could you please step aside?
¿Alguien conoce a Rayo McQueen? Oí que es el más veloz del...
Some cement. Here comes a nice fresh corn!
Pour it on. Oh!
Francesco needs no strategy. It's very simple. You start the race, wait for Lightning McQueen to choke.
Feeling lonely, lost and let down.
Hey!
Take my way, that's the highway, that's the way.
Rastafarian has the Tormentor in his signature dreadlock!
Me be jamming now, man!
So, you ready to start training?
I don't know. You ready to lose again?
Oh, hope you got your fluffy...
I hereby dub thee.
But I changed the direction of my life when I started Ms. Fritter's Racing School!
So it was Lanny who broke the car wash. But if she gets caught...
¿Te gusta nuestra tierra?
Baby, bring it out! Bring out the piston cup! Kachika! Kachika! Yeah! Now that...
Lightning Dragon McQueen!
I'll take care of this.
Holy cow! It's Jackson Storm for the win! A huge...
Why aren't you in disguise? Come on, there's no time. Go.
Okay, okay.
What's going on, ladies? Alrighty now, let's have us a little look.
If you're implying that I switched out that rot-gut excuse for alternative fuel with mine...
Dozo, come with me, please, sir.
But I'm gonna miss my plane.
Right this way.
Just me and the old man, fellas.
McQueen just doesn't have it today.
Ain't that kind of shoe?
Correction acknowledged. Deploying chute.
getting him into the zone.
He's so getting beat today. Got more talent in one lug nut than a lot of cars have got in their whole body.
Really? Oh, that.
Bet you're...
Fast as Storm, but you can be smarter than him.
Okay, what do I do?
Flame job.
Oh,
Maybe
thanks,
ghost
man.
flames. You like old school pinstriping? Von Dutch style, huh?
Baby Ramon can get that fixed up for you in no time.
Yeah, sure thing, man. No problemo. Just let me go.
I know him. This is the bloke that called into the television show. You're the one I have to thank.
No, thank